Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your DIY projects with Home Depot detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate your DIY projects with Home Depot, start by identifying the type of project you want to work on. Research various automation tools and smart devices available at Home Depot. Visit the Home Depot website or your local store to explore options tailored for DIY automation. Select smart devices that fit your project's needs, such as smart lights, sensors, or programmable timers. Make a list of required tools and materials based on your selected automation devices. Before purchasing, read customer reviews to gauge the reliability and performance of the products. Once you have your materials, gather all necessary tools, including a power drill, screwdriver, and any required wiring supplies. Begin by planning your project layout, ensuring you have adequate space for the devices. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install each smart device correctly. For smart lighting, replace standard bulbs with smart bulbs and connect them to your Wi-Fi network. If using sensors, mount them in strategic locations where they can effectively detect movement or light. For more complex setups, such as a smart irrigation system, follow the detailed installation guide provided with the product. Once everything is installed, download the corresponding apps on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account if necessary, and start pairing your smart devices to your home network. Now, customize the settings for each device according to your preferences. Set schedules for when your devices should be active, such as lights turning on at sunset. Test each device to ensure it responds correctly to commands and schedules. Consider integrating voice control by linking your devices to a smart home hub or assistant, like Google Home or Amazon Alexa. Explore automation features, such as routines or scenes, which can execute multiple actions with a single command. Regularly check for software updates for your devices to maintain security and functionality. Review your setup periodically and adjust settings as needed to enhance efficiency or respond to changes in your projects. With everything set up, enjoy the ease of managing your DIY projects through automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.